Another form of if exists, which allows for a division not only according to true or false. Let's say a user gives a signal via a number to a CD player. 0 means play, 1 pause, and 2 stop. Let's declare a variable named signal with a value of, for example, 1, and then we are checking all the conditions with only a system out print line. Play else if signal 1 pause and the last one else if signal equals to stop. But you may ask why use the construction else if we'll get the same result only by using ifs anyway. What I mean is making this code use only the if instructions, like this. The most important difference is that if instructions are only written with the use of ifs, then all the if conditions will be verified, whereas in a construction else if, once the virtual machine hits on a condition that is true, for example this one, then all the other conditions will not be verified. This can impact on our app's efficiency, since it will verify a lesser amount of conditions.